Hello everyone, welcome back to another recipe. So in this video I'm going to be making very delicious bitter leaf soup. Bitter leaf is one of my favorite soups, very nutritious, tasty. So sit back and watch how I make this, and I'm going to be putting all the ingredients I used in this dish in the description box. Thank you. So here are the ingredients I used for my bitter leaf soup. So I went ahead with some crayfish. So you can actually ground your crayfish, you can use it as whole. I have some pepper there, and then I have 3 Igbo cocoyams. You can actually use more or less depending on the quantity of your bitter leaf soup. I have some pomo there, which is cow skin, and then the pot there I have some goat meat. You can use beef, whichever meat you want. And in there I just have some stockfish, which I actually soaked into warm water, and then I just removed the bones, as you can see. And then next we have our bitter leaf over there. So I've got some frozen bitter leaf, which obviously I defrosted and then just washed it. Make sure that, because it's bitter, so you need to remove all the green liquid from there. We'll be using some palm oil. You need some salt for seasoning. And I like to use some maggi crayfish for this instead of maggi cubes, as you can see in the video. So the white paste you saw in the plastic there is called ogiri. So ogiri is normally used in a lot of soup dishes. So I went ahead and did that. It just makes the dish, just gives an extra flavor to the dish really. So as you can see, I just went ahead and boiled my meat. So boil all your meats together, and we're just going to allow that to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll come back to it. So while your meat is boiling, go ahead and blend your Igbo cocoyams. Obviously, the main goal is you don't want any lumps to be in there, so just make sure it's nice and smooth. And then we're going to be going ahead and we're going to blend the crayfish, pepper, and the ogiri. So that's what's going to go into the pot of the meat once it's boiling. So once you've added your cocoyams, just allow the soup to boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. As you can see, it's been boiling nicely there. So at this stage, I'm just turning the soup, making sure it doesn't burn from the bottom. And then I'm going to go ahead and prepare the bitter leaf, which will be going in next. So once you've added your bitter leaf, allow that to cook for another 10-15 minutes. And as you can see, the bitter leaf soup is ready. You can serve this with eba, which is gari. You can serve it with fufu. You can even have this with rice. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me cook this. And please don't forget to like, comment, share. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.